Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Canuel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is our April message out to the community. Well, I hope everyone had a great spring break. It already seems like ages ago, and we did have a nice mild March, so I guess we can't complain. And we should be ready to head into the final stretch of the school year, which tends to be rather frenetic, full of energy, and maybe laden with a little bit of stress as we go along. I know that from our end here, and starting with our provincial resource team that services the CLCs, they've been super busy and really getting excited about an upcoming conference that we're hosting for the first time in a number of years, where we'll bring together community stakeholders and participants in the whole CLC network. It's really exciting. I plan on being there. A few opening comments, and I hope to have a chance to see some of you there and get a chance to catch up together. I know that our PRT team has also been very, very busy with, for example, the I Belong Here Too project in conjunction with ELAN and supported by funds from the Secretariat. It's a great project that I think sends out a message about how the English community has a role here in the province of Quebec, and that we can contribute and be a part of a dynamic community in the years to now and in the years to come. Meanwhile, of course, our pedagogical services team just continues to be what they are. They're just constantly giving workshops, developing new resources. Frankly, if you ever had a chance to see the number of deliverables that they have put out for them for the school year 23-24, you'd be absolutely astounded. Not only do they put out a lot of resources and provide a lot of services, they do this in the most professional way that's super efficient. So congrats to Christine and her team, guys. Don't stop. I know it's a lot of work and a lot of pressure, but you've never done anything but provide and deliver on time quality work, so don't let up. Of course, our virtual campus team, they had the benefit of no tutorials in the month of March because of spring break. However, there was a break that was well deserved given the intensity and the demands of the tutorial program. Our online classes did continue with the exception of the spring break, so they're going ahead well, and that's going to start up again very shortly. So stay tuned. Tutorials will be back online, as I said, within the next few days. In the meantime, I've been working on a couple other projects that I'm very excited about. The first is an educational endowment that we're putting forward. It'll be the largest foundation of its kind, or at least one of the largest foundations of its kind in the province, and we hope that through this endowment we'll be able to provide a lot of resources and services to our community on an ongoing basis. So stay tuned, more details to come on that particular front. As I mentioned in my last message, we're also working on a pilot project that will incorporate artificial intelligence and machine learning, and that's scheduled to start up April 2nd. Just to give you an idea, we thought we'd struggle to get 30 families to participate. Within a couple hours, we had over 200 requests to participate. The demand is absolutely strong. We're going to bump it up to 75 families, and we're going to keep the others ready for phase 2 of the project. So we're really excited about it. It's going to be a complement to our existing tutorial program. However, it'll go directly to parents. It'll be a resource that will be available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Parents will be able to go back to it with their children as often as they want, and it incorporates game learning and integration of math concepts and principles. So we're very excited about this. We have some research that's going to be accompanying it. So hang in there, and we'll keep you posted on how that's going. But as I said, I'll temper my expectations. I know I tend to get very excited about these things simply because I believe they're important and will provide resources that are very much needed by our community. And secondly, it helps put Learn in a leadership position where I think we need to be, where we have been in the past. So hang in there, more to come. In the meantime, Stay strong. I know that the next 3 months will be demanding for a lot of you, but I'm confident that as a community we can move forward. Bye now. See you next month.